bad network quality. Are you able to hear me still?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. That's why it was having problem connecting today. So are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we start.
ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम्। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्युषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम्।
Thanks a lot. Please pray to your parents for a moment. If they are nearby, get their blessings and come. I'll wait for a minute. Okay. Thank you. Who has to give the presentation today? Group 12 was over last time, Sugandhan. Now group 13, huh?
3, sir.
Group 3, okay. 3 roll number?
Sandhita, sir. 34.
34. Okay. Sandita. Okay, you can continue, Sandita.
Okay. So very good morning to everybody. We are Group 3 Commercial Jetliner. We are going to be presenting what we followed, what all values we got, how useful it is going to be, and how correct it is in terms of wing loading selection. So we'll start with the design specifications. The design specifications are as follows. We have to travel from Bhopal to Sydney, which is a range of 10,053 kilometers in not more than 10 hours, carrying around 300 passengers. And it has to be a
Non-stop.
all-weather,
Bhopal
yeah,
to Sydney,
non-stop.
Yeah.
Yes, a non-stop, and it has to be all-weather flight. Yes, all. That's it. That's for the design specifications. Now mission profile. One second. As you can see, from engine startup, takeoff, then we accelerate to the cruising altitude. We cruise to the destination, loiter, and then land. We'll start from the takeoff. So for takeoff, we followed the textbook Thomas C. Cork, and from that,
So
our
here,
reference.
wait,
Yes, sir.
Where did you followed mean? What did you follow?
Okay, I'll explain, sir. So our we started from finding the stall velocity. How we did that was our reference aircraft is 747-400, the Boeing 747, and that has a very similar maximum takeoff weight as ours, and similar design specifications in terms of passengers or in terms of range. So what we did was we took the V star from the reference, and
Okay, good.
we implemented it
CLmax,
here.
you assume some CLmax. How?
Yes, sir. We initially assumed a CLmax of 2, but then we
Okay.
found that 1.9 is a better assumption for our design.
Okay.
And I'll
Okay,
explain
go
that a
ahead. Go
little
ahead. Go to the
later.
next one. Yeah, but don't
So,
explain too much. Keep it
okay.
short.
Okay. So we got
Because so
V-star.
many presentations has gone on already.
Right,
People
sir.
be aware of this. If there's any issues, I'll highlight.
Sure, sir.
Otherwise, you just go ahead.
Okay, so we found V-stall. V-stall gives us V takeoff. We use the values that were given for the T by W from the table given in the textbook
Yes.
as
Go. Next
0.275.
one.
And we got
Good.
these are the graphs that represent the.
T by W, why did you take as 0.275?
Sir,
You have to
because
vary T by W, no?
yes, sir, for the initial estimation of what the distance will be, as the takeoff distance, to get an idea of what the takeoff distance will be.
Oh,
For
it
that,
was
we
not
assume
given
some value.
specifications.
No.
Your
So,
specifications ignore it. Well, see, for takeoff distance, you
right.
should take it based on runway length of Bhopal or Sydney, whichever is
Yes, sir.
shorter.
Yes. So, with 1.9 as the CL max and the T by W as 0.275, we got it
That's
as
not no. Don't go like that.
okay.
See, STO, you substitute that.
Okay.
Whatever STO you have, 60% or 70% of your runway length
Right.
available. Okay. Then for takeoff parameter, there's an expression, no?
Yes, there is.
You only substitute CLmax and sigma there.
Okay.
And
And
then you
then
substitute this expression. For TOP, substitute here. Then you will get a relationship between W by S and T by W.
Yes.
Vary W by S and get T by W.
Okay.
That's good enough. This is what you get?
Yes.
Yeah, this is good enough.
Okay.
Remove that,
Yeah, the highlight, I'll remove that.
highlight. Yeah.
Yes.
Confusing. Yeah.
Okay. So this was for the takeoff. We'll move ahead to the landing. Landing is a bit dicey here. We have taken the landing distance for a basic estimate of what to get an ideology. We've looked at the minimum and the maximum runway lengths that are there in Sydney and Bhopal. In Bhopal, it's a Rajabhog International Airport, and Sydney has its own international airport. So the minimum is 1835 meters, which is around 3,400 feet. We've taken 3,000 as an estimate. From that, we have varied. Again, this is the relation it shows of how the landing distance will depend on the WIS and landing distance will depend on CLmax. What is more important is
Yeah, that's
yes.
one. Yeah, okay, this is good enough. Yeah.
Yeah, the T by W versus
Okay.
WIS.
To the left is feasible, right?
Yeah, to the left is feasible.
Okay.
That's what, sir. The value is too less here. It should have been a little more so that the constraint diagram is a sensible diagram. But here the values are very low. That's why I said it's a little dicey.
So what we
Uh,
can do is,
Yes.
okay, what are the climb constraint according to the FAR rules?
So same 0.3 at VCL and 0.05 at VCL percentage.
No, OEI and
Yes, sir.
AEO,
Both.
or is it both are OEI, I think, but then
Yes, sir. Both are OEI.
one is
Gear up and gear
the CD
the
naught
other is
should
gear down.
CD naught should be different.
Hmm.
Correct. CD naught for gear out should be different.
Different.
Earlier, larger than the CD naught with landing gear retracted.
Right. So we've taken the initial climb, which will be the takeoff climb.
Why
And
is it flat
that,
line? Why is a flat line? Left?
so that is data. The data isn't
Okay.
very correct.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Okay. That was.
What is the unit in your x-axis you have to put for every WAS?
Okay. It's all in English units, sir. Pound
So you have to
per
put
feet
it.
square. Yes, sir. I'll put it.
And as far as possible, when you draw these diagrams, use in the diagram and final result you present, you use SI units.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
because it's clear to everyone.
Right.
English units, Britishers,
Uh-huh.
not like that. They are a bit confusing. Okay.
So that's what we tried to convert it, and the landing.
They confuse Indians and they confuse unit also.
Okay.
Only they can use it. Okay. So
Okay.
it's good SI units. Yeah.
Okay. So we tried to convert it, but then the landing changed a lot and the constraint diagram went haywire. So we chose not to do it as of now.
What happened? Constraint diagram?
So the constraint diagram, once you're changing it, the landing is going too far off from the y-axis.
So I'll tell you what to do. I'll tell you. So you increase the CL max, it will move to the right.
So it is too much to the
You
right.
don't.
We want it a little to the left.
Then decrease the CL max and do something. You will do something with the CL max, you can do
Okay.
it.
Okay.
I should. Hey, it doesn't. It is too much to the right. It doesn't matter. You get more feasible region to the left. For cruise, you are telling, or landing?
Landing, sir.
Yeah. So for landing, you are not getting a feasible region. You are telling because of landing.
Yes. Yes.
Then you have to move the landing to the right.
Yes. We have to move to the right.
Right. If you want to move to the right, you have to increase CL max. Just check out.
Okay.
So that will settle the issue. Wherever you want, you can move it to the right.
Right.
Okay. So increase CL max and do it. Easiest way to. Okay. So Bhopal, what is the ASL?
It's at an elevation of 1717 feet.
Meters.
Meters, it's
Next time.
527 meters, sir.
Okay. So that will determine the sigma value you use.
Yes. We got it as 0.7801.
No, that's too less.
Yes, sir, because for Sydney we are getting around 0.9, but
Bhopal just for half kilometer.
Yes.
Your density ratio isn't so less. It will be, is it?
It is, sir. It's coming as 0.78.
No, even for 1 kilo, if you just check out with the very good,
Source.
data source.
Okay, sir. I'll check that out once more.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. This is the cruise T by WW by S diagram.
Okay. So the right is feasible, left is feasible.
So for cruise, right is feasible.
Okay, yeah. Are you getting any feasible region now?
No, sir, we're not.
Okay, because of landing. So
because of landing,
play with the CL max and move the landing diagram to the right or left to get a feasible region.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
So finally,
That's
sealing, for different Mach numbers, and sealing
what
also to the right
what is
is
your
0.88 is the cruise, so we've decreased it in
Okay.
coming
Ceiling
towards-
cruise can be less. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And then finally, the constraint diagram. This line here, if you can see my mouse, the white highlighted line is the landing. It has to come to a little more right so that we can get a feasible region.
So increase CL max to high, whatever you want.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
look at references and all and get confused.
Okay.
And then you can go up to 10, but don't go up to 10. Just choose
Right.
what you need.
Okay. Right.
Just the right of that purple line will give you some feasible region, no? So
This
use
here,
only.
yes.
Yeah. So choose that.
Okay, sir.
That should be good enough. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
good.
it, sir.
Good. But then TYW also getting a little bit high. So you decrease your CD naught and see whether you can move that horizontal pink line lower.
Okay, sir. But this is actually the
TYW
climb.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
That's
We'll
that is
decrease it.
giving
and
you a
see.
very high, slightly high TYW.
Okay.
So try to
It's around
decrease
0.33.
here. 0.33.
33.
Yeah, little bit high. Below 0.3 or 0.25 is a very nice number. 0.3 is not too bad. 0.33 is slightly high.
Okay, sir.
When you move this landing to the right, it is increased to 0.4 or something.
Okay.
So try decreasing CD naught. The top one is OEI, or I mean, is it with landing gear out or landing gear retracted?
It's with landing gear out, sir.
Okay, yeah. So how much extra CD naught did you assume for that?
That. So I have to search for the number.
Okay. See, you can, if you CD naught, your base CD naught is without landing gear extraction. If it is anything, for say 0.012 or something, I have to add 0.07 or 0.007 or 0.005 to it.
Okay.
So if I added 0.007, decrease it a little bit. 0.005 or 0.004, 0.003. That will bring it down. That's good enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Any questions from others? How did your team members work with you, Sandita?
They worked very well, sir.
Very good.
We all sat down and did it.
Okay. So then, who next? I mean, if you can ask questions, otherwise, the next person can actually, take the stage. Any question to Sandita? Okay, yesterday was the submission date for this wing loading, but since the presentations are not over, I'm extending the submission date. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's get the one day after the last presentation. That's the date.
Okay, sir.
So anyway, so thanks, Sandita.
Thank you, sir.
So there's no more questions. So let's go to the next presenter. Who's the next presenter?
8th group, sir.
Group 8, sir.
Group 8. Tell me the roll number.
Roll number 54, sir. Swamivasan.
554. Swamivasan.
Yes, sir.
I'm actually working from home, so my and I didn't share the file in my office. It came all of a sudden that we can work from home. So the problem is, now I don't have the attendance, the sheet with me. That's why now Sandita will come to the rescue. He has a copy of everything, right?
I do, sir. I do.
Yeah. So good. Always plan ahead whenever you do design. Okay. Have a plan B. If this doesn't work, then that should be OEI condition now. Okay. Yeah. Who's presenting now? 54 is Swamivasan. Okay. Go ahead, Swamivasan. Yeah.
Is the screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes, sir. So good morning to all. This is Group 8 and myself, roll number 54, here to present on the presentation of estimation of wing loading for the cargo aircrafts. And this is the mission specification that was given to us. So the maximum payload was around 20,000 kgs and the cruise velocity was 400 km/h, and the range to be 3,000 kilometers, and the flight program is from
Okay,
Trivandrum
okay.
to Kolkata.
Good,
So
good.
these are,
So go to the next one.
yes, sir. So for takeoff, so as you know, these formulas were took from the Thomas E. Corp, and we took the CL max from the data which was given in the Thomas E. Corp. So we
Okay,
assume,
next one.
so this
Next
was
one.
the graph like bearing the takeoff length, sir.
What is an
So
x-axis? Yeah, okay.
yes, sir. And green line is the conditional limit, and to the left of the green line is the feasible region. And next is the varying CL max for the fixed takeoff distance. So
What
we
is the fixed
assume
takeoff
takeoff
distance?
uh,
Fixed takeoff distance is?
2,500 feet, sir.
The green one is that one.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Green one.
Okay, yeah, okay. Next one.
So,
Go ahead, next one.
so this
That's good.
is
Because
for
everybody
climb.
knows by this time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
So
that is why
this,
I'm asking, rushing through the presentations
okay,
now.
yes, sir.
Now
So the
people will
stall
know
speed,
what to do. Yeah.
yes, sir. The stall speed we assume to be 188 km/h, and the climb gradient that we got was for around 0.04 for AEO and 0.0081 for OEI.
No. Why
And
do you use AU and OEI? Your cargo aircraft, no?
yes, sir.
Huh?
Uh,
So use for the FAR Part 23 civil. That's good enough.
okay, sir. We thought we used it for the military, sir. Military cargo.
Military,
So
yeah? Oh, military.
yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay. So
Yes, sir.
I forgot that. Then you have to use that MIL 2 specifications.
Yeah, yes,
Right,
sir.
right.
So yeah.
AEO, OEI, yeah, okay. At sea level. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. And the graph is plotted. So to the up to the top of the red line is our feasible region.
100 feet per minute is OEI, correct?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whereas 500 feet per minute is AEO.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
And for the cruise, we assume the cruise altitude to be 8 kilometers.
Just one comment, Sami Vasan.
And CD not to be 0.025, and
Sami
aspect
Vasan,
ratio
it's not
to be
able to.
10,
Hello, Sami
and
Vasan.
the span efficiency
Hello.
factor to be 5. KY limited. Yes, sir. Is
We
it
are
audible,
not
sir?
able to hear you, Sami Vasan. The voice is breaking.
Hello, sir.
Are others able to hear Sami Vasan? Your voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. His voice is breaking.
His voice is breaking.
Is it audible now, sir?
Yeah, audible now. I was telling the CD naught value may be too high. If you have problems, you can try changing it. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We kept it for around 0.02, sir, but we didn't get any like feasible reason. We didn't get any feasible reason, so we increased it.
Interesting. No. Actually, if you decrease it only, you should get it. Something wrong then. If you
Okay,
don't
sir.
get feasible, then
We'll
you have
change
to
it, sir.
decrease the CL CD naught, not increase it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So this was the graph for the varying cruise speed. So the red line is the limit. To the right of the red line is the feasible region.
Yeah. There is no. Okay. Go to the right. Go to the next one. Sorry. Next one.
This flight ceiling. So we assume the flight ceiling to be around 10 kilometers from the sea level.
Okay.
And CL
Go
to
to the
be
right.
around
Next
0.7.
one.
Ceiling height we varied. To the left of the green line is the feasible region.
Okay. Next.
And landing. So we assume the landing CL max for the landing to be same as the takeoff, and sigma to be 0.9, and the elevation to be 1340 meters.
Is there a restriction in your takeoff length, or you assumed? Did I give it, or you assumed the landing length?
Yes, sir. We assumed it, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Go to the right.
And this is
Green
for
line.
varying CL max.
Sure. Next.
So to the left
one.
of it, yes, sir. This is the constraint graph that we got, sir.
Good. So just CD naught may be a little bit too high. You just check it. Anyway, you're getting reasonable values, but it's okay. So what wing load did you choose now?
So we plan to be around like 85 pounds per feet square, sir, in English.
No. What I'm telling is in the graph, what is the T by W? Tell me. Corresponding T by W will be? From the graph, you your cursor to the point which you intend to choose.
So we kept this point, sir, 0.4 T by W and the corresponding.
Where is 0.4? Where is 0.4?
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to see your cursor actually.
Sir, is it visible now, sir?
Yeah, it is visible. Where did you?
Yes,
Where
sir.
did you
So,
keep? Yeah,
yes, sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
No. I will suggest you go down to the left one.
Yes, sir.
Left one, where the red straight line for cruise and the blue takeoff blue line meet. Go there.
So around 2000 Newton per meter square, sir.
Yeah. Come down, further down. Yeah, 2000, around 2000. T by W is around 0.2 something, which is reasonable.
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
slightly around there. That will be a better point.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And you try
Yes,
decreasing CD naught, probably it will decrease further.
Okay, sir.
So takeoff is the problem.
Yes, sir.
OEI, AEO, all okay. So you just decrease for takeoff. This is, you can't help it, right? So it's okay. It's okay. So whatever you assumed is okay. You don't have to change anything. It looks reasonable.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Good work. How did the team work with you?
Yes, sir. Good, sir. All
Who are your teammates?
Ashwin Sridhar, Naresh, Sheshat, and myself.
Okay, teammates is excluding you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Any questions to Samyasan? If there are no questions, let's move on to the next presentation. Who's that? Group?
13, sir.
Group 13. How many more groups are there?
13, 4, and 6. 3 groups are left.
3 groups are left. Okay. We'll try to cover as much as possible today. And after that, we'll start wing design presentations. Okay. So if it ends today, you have to submit by tomorrow. If it ends tomorrow, you have to submit by day after tomorrow. All of you. Same. Anyway, group 13, who is presenting now?
Sir, Surya, myself will be presenting it, sir.
Myself, tell me the roll number.
44, sir. 44.
44. Surya Prasad or Surya Prakash?
Prasad, sir.
Surya Prasad. Stand on just a moment. You can start, Surya Prasad.
Yes,
Your aircraft is?
Tactical fighter, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, is the screen visible?
Yeah, Maya.
Just a second, sir. Good morning, all. I am Surya from Group 13, and I will be giving a presentation on wing loading selection for tactical fighter. This is a mission profile we have followed. We'll be covering a total distance of 4,200 kilometers throughout the mission. These are
mission.
the
Not able. Wait, hold on. Specifications?
Yes, sir.
Are you showing the specifications? Not yet.
Yes.
Where is specific? Oh, 4,200 kilometers. What are the specifications given to you?
Sir, payload of 10,000 kg, range of 4,500. Sir, is it visible?
So no, the specifications are not visible. Mission profile only. I'm seeing only mission profile.
Sir, I'll reshare it, sir.
Yeah, now we can see. Mission requirements. The earlier one, I think I was able to see. But now it's coming to take off.
Is it fine now, sir?
I'm seeing the takeoff slide. I want to see the mission specification slide.
Sir, we can just see mission requirements.
Or you can just read out.
Yes, sir. So the mission specified was a payload of 10,000 kg, range of 4,500 kilometers, a speed of Mach 1.5, service ceiling of 14 kilometers, and a rate of maximum rate of climb of 30 meter per second. We'll be taking off at Dehradun and landing in the same place. And
No. I told you, tactical fighter. You don't
Conducting-
look at. You don't determine that way, because you can take off from anywhere. You should be able to take off from anywhere, land anywhere near the border. So just specify your takeoff length. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Don't go for don't base it on your civil aerodrome runways. They may not take off from civil aerodromes after all.
Yes, sir.
You may have military bases which may have a different lengths.
Fine, sir.
Okay, yeah, continue.
Since Dehradun Airport is at an elevated height of 558 meters above the sea level, the value of density and sigma varies.
Yeah, assume something. Don't tell Dehradun.
Yes, sir.
Dehradun may be a sample. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Moving to the takeoff phase, the formula was obtained from the Thomas Cook book, and we assumed the initial takeoff length to be 1,900 feet from the reference aircrafts, and sigma was found to be 0.946, varying the
For a height of what? For a height of
558 meters, sir.
558 meters.
Yes,
So, Sandita,
Yes, sir.
your sigma should be something like this
Yes.
for Bhopal. Just, yeah. I think they have almost the same height.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, he has used, although it can be different. What if it take us from, Gangtok?
No idea.
Yeah, so you have to prepare for that also. Okay?
Yes, sir. Varying the takeoff length, we have plotted the graph.
See, yours is a slightly complicated design than others. You have to be more careful. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
The region
Especially
above
for
the
wing load.
The region above the green line is the feasible region for takeoff.
If I'm not able to see your slides changing, can you unshare and reshare again?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Okay, good. And then
Hello, sir. Is it visible right now?
not yet. Probably network quality is poor. See, we'll do one thing. We'll ask the next group to present. You present after that. You're able to
Yes.
see, Sanjay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the problem is maybe at my end. So what shall we do? Now I'm able to see. Last. No. It takes so much time.
Yes, sir.
I'm able to see your climb graph. Yeah. Next. Show me the graphs only.
Yes, sir. This for climb, we have assumed CD not as 0.015, sir.
Okay. Next.
Since the rate of climb was specified to us, the red lines are the region above that is
What
feasible.
I'm telling is you have to show the mill specifications also. Although you are sure that your
Yes, sir. We have specified that.
specification is worse. So you have to
500 FPM.
indicate. Yeah, all those things you have to specify here. 100 FPM OEI, 500 FPM AEO at sea level. All these you have to draw, and you have to draw the specification also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't take it for granted that the specification will be the worst case. Although it can be true, you have to plot the other two also, because OEI you don't know what will happen.
Sir, we have plotted
You
it,
have to
sir.
prove it to be. Yeah. So anyway, I don't know. Where is it?
Sir, below that violet and the black line.
Anyway, I think I'm seeing a different this one.
Graph,
Different
sir.
graph. Yeah. That's you do one thing. You
Yes, sir.
finish your presentation. Let others go to the presentation and mail the presentation to me immediately.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Immediately mail the presentation.
Yes, sir.
Right.
And
Yeah.
for cruise, we have took it from the Thomas formula
Right.
from Thomas Cook book, and we assume
Yes.
the altitude to be 12 kilometers and flying at a speed of 0.9.
I'm able to see this. Yeah. Next one.
And the right side of the red line is a feasible region. In combat, we assume the combat altitude to be 9 kilometers, and we have fixed the CD naught as 0.015. Substituting and plotting it, and varying the load factor, we have obtained the graph. So we plotted it, and the region above the
load factor you assume was
n is equal to 7, sir.
Okay.
The region above the green line is a feasible.
From comparison, or is it a comparison aircraft? Okay.
Sir, actually for a tactical fighter, it goes till 9, sir. We have used till 7.
Okay. Yeah, okay. For your tactical fighter, you say 7 is the limit. Fine.
So, and for ceiling, we have assumed, since the ceiling was specified as 14 kilometers, we have assumed the Mach number to be 0.9.
Okay.
And the region towards the left of the green line is a feasible region, marked by the arrow marks.
I am still seeing that sustained rate, roll rate, etc. Anyway, my network may be slow. Yes. Proceed, please.
And for landing, we have assumed the CL max to be 2.5. Varying the CL max, we have plotted the graph. The first one is for the varying CL max, and second one is for the varying takeoff distance with a fixed CL max of 2.5.
I'm not able to see anything, so I'm not commenting, but you proceed. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And the constraint diagram. The region shaded with the blue is a feasible region.
Okay. I am now seeing the landing. Maybe you can just change. No, just change the slide once. I'll see probably the slide which you are in now. Change any other slide.
No, sir.
Nothing. So you mail it to me anyway.
Yes,
anyway, now questions from the class. I have some comments also to make. Sorry, questions from me first. Or let the class ask the questions.
Yes.
What is the final WIS? Thank you. I'm seeing clearly. Yeah.
Sir,
you
no,
mail
sir.
it to me. You mail it to me.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, meanwhile, others can ask questions. Any questions to Surya Prasad? How was the team participation in this regard, Surya Prasad?
Yes, sir. Good, sir.
Good. Okay. Yes, bad network quality. Now comes the message. Even the message is this problem is at my end. Okay, so I have mailed it. I'll go through that. This one, keeping what you have in mind. I just want to check with you something because there seems to be no questions from others. Surya Prasad. Surya Prasad, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now, during takeoff, what is your T by W you are getting the assumed wing loading? In constraint diagram, you have chosen a graph, no?
Yes, sir.
So, what's your wing loading and what is the corresponding T by W you are choosing for the feasible region?
Sir, wing loading to be 4,000, sir.
What unit?
Newton per meter square.
Okay. And then T by W?
T by W 0.6, sir. 0.6.
Okay, 0.6. Then is the constraint line?
Yes, sir.
Limiting line during dash or cruise or something?
Not getting it,
0.6.
sir.
Why is it high? Because of which line? What is restricted? I mean, moving it up to 0.6. What is the horizontal line which is nearest to your point?
I'm not getting
Is
it,
it
sir.
takeoff? Is it takeoff? So your limit is because of the takeoff. Is takeoff on the top, or is it the n is equal to 7 is limit is on the top? Which one is it? Which one needs this?
N is equal to 7 is on the top, sir.
Okay. So that is limiting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. N is equal to 7 means you are doing combat or something, right?
Yes, sir.
Assume that is not there. N is equal to 1. Now,
Fine, sir.
what will be the T by W for the same wing loading?
Sir, it will be N is equal to 1, sir.
N is equal to 1 or even if some limiting line is above that. For example, takeoff is above that. If N is equal to 1 and takeoff, which one is the limit now? Which is above, which is the greater one? The line above.
One, sir. Climb, sir.
N is equal to 1. Okay. If you put N is equal to 1, then by how much can you reduce T by W?
Till we can reduce it till a point 6, sir. Like that.
No, 0.6 is what you told just now with N is equal to 7.
Sir, when N is equal to 7, T by W will be 0.9, sir.
0.9. Okay.
Yes, sir. When it's climb,
N
N
is
is equal
equal
to 1, it will be 0.6.
Okay. So what you do is you assume T by W is 0.6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you say you're using afterburner for N is equal to 7.
Okay, sir.
So that you can increase the T by W to 0.9 or 1 or 1.2, whatever. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is where the complication will come in your constraint diagram.
Yes, sir.
Say you're using afterburner whenever you need high T by W.
Yes, sir.
If it is in takeoff or climb, you can actually use afterburners, or during combat. These 3 phases you can use afterburner. Other phases you don't need, so you can actually reduce the T by W.
Yes, sir.
That's why I asked the question. Okay.
Yes.
So discuss with your teammates and think about it and come out with a good report. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. You sent me the PPT?
No, sir. I'll be sending it now, sir.
Yeah. Send it to me. Okay, thanks, Surya Prasad.
Yes.
So this is group 13. Okay, Surya Prasad. Okay. Now who's the next group? Tomorrow 2 groups are there, is it?
Yes, sir. 4 and 6.
Group 4 and 6. Okay. Group 4 is after this. Then after that, group 6, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for the other presentation, next one is wing design, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Sandita, you take the order in which we presented the wing loading. Okay.
I have the order, sir, if you want.
Yeah. Take the top 2 and move them to the bottom.
Okay.
1 and 2 will become this 13 and 14 now.
Okay.
That will be the order of presentation for wing design.
Okay.
Okay, so alert those groups who are on the top. Wing design, it will be quick because I don't anticipate too much problem like wing loading and weight estimation. Okay, so presentation should go faster for the wing design. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thank you. It's already, I have crossed my the allotted time. So, thank you. I will
Sir,
take
this
attendance.
Sir, I have mailed it to you, sir. Check it.
Okay, sir. Oh, I'll check. Let me take attendance.